Okay, I'm gonna show you how to renew your CWI certification. You can do either your 3, your 6, or 9-year certification. So I'm doing my 6-year. You could call it a 3-year certification. Before you usually have to fill this out right here. It's a 6-page with your name, and you got to get your eye exam, and you got to type in your information about where you work and get it notarized. Now you don't have to get it notarized. You got to get your eye exam. But I'm going to show you a way you don't have to do this now. Now you can go online and do it online. Just go to www.aws.org. And when you get up here, click on the certification. And once you click on the certification, you can go right here where it says certification application portal. And you probably seen something that says $125. Let's see if I can find it right here. This only if you send in paper or email it. But if you do it through this portal here, you don't have to pay that fee. So mine is I'm a member, so I'm gonna have to pay $525. So you just click here, and then you log in. Make sure you don't put your member ID. Use your email address, and then your password. Then you hit log in. Okay, once you log in, you go right here. It says apply for recertification, but it's reply for renewal. And I did call them and tell them, hey, they said they was going to correct that later on, but it is applying for recertification or renewal. So you click it. Once you click that, you could pick which one you want. I'm going to click this one right here. I'm going to renew by work experience. And mine's supposed to be API 1104, so they're going to make that correction also. Since I've been a CWI since 1996, they imported everything over, and they got some stuff mixed up. But they're going to correct that for me. So I'm going to click this one where it says with work experience, hit continue. And make sure you got your eye exam and your money ready to pay. Okay, it says you must be completed each employee work experience. Lone Star College. So you just go ahead and fill out your information. And if you still employed, just put today's date, which I'm gonna put 01/30/2020. And just look it over, make sure everything's okay. On inspection, state. I need to put Texas. Okay. United States, zip code. Christopher Young. Okay. Then you hit save. And I'm gonna add one more job. Then you hit continue. Failure to provide the necessary documents required for your application may result in process delays or cancellation of your application. Okay, now what you need to do is upload a photo. And you can take a photo. You can use this passport type photos on your phone. You can download an app from your phone and just take your own photo. You don't have to go to Walgreens or CVS. So I just got this app and took a picture. So I'm going to choose a photo, and I got it. Let me find my file, my CWI renewal. So this is the photo I got, and it got to be JPEG. So it got to be JPG. So that photo is uploaded. So now I'm going to choose my visual exam, which is here. That's all you have to do is just upload your photo and your visual exam. Once that's done, you hit continue. Now here comes the big part. You got to pay your money. You got to agree to all of this, the terms, and you read over the policies, and it's the same as the printout. So you just click agree and hit continue. And I don't have no code or coupon, so I'm gonna use my credit card. You know, I learned something the other day. I heard that Visa cards all begin with a 4. Submit payment right here. You can see my renewal is $525. So when I hit submit, why does that thing keep getting an error?
Good afternoon, this is Danielle. May I help you?
Yes, I was trying to do my renew my application here online. I got to the end and I hit to continue, and it says an error message.
What is the error? Okay, where are you continuing from?
The portal.
No, but what page were you on
I
the portal?
was on the last page to pay.
To pay, and then did you type in your payment information?
Yes, I did.
And it says an error.
Yeah, but it took it out of my account and it says the order is in. I just want you guys to see if it's there or not. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, let me look. What if you want, I'll call you tomorrow and then I'll verify with you exactly what's on our system versus like whether your bank account kept the charge.
Okay. Is this a new process? Is this something new you guys started?
Yeah. The portal is new and it basically launched officially, I don't know, at the end of the year last year. I would say October, November. And so we are incurring like certain issues with it. So I apologize for that, and I understand if you're frustrated.
I'm not frustrated. I just don't. I just want to make sure everything's got through to you guys, because this renewal is very important. You know, because I just want to make sure everything's fine and everything's okay with it, so I can get my certification.
Yeah. Definitely. No, I completely understand. Okay, so let's wait until tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to check your account and see if the application came through. I'm going to call you and let you know what is going on our side. And then if you can do me the favor and look at your bank account to see whether the charge stayed on your account or not. Okay. And then we'll take it from there.
Okay, and you said you'll call me tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll call you tomorrow. What's the best time to reach you?
Anytime tomorrow.
Anytime? Okay, and then this is the best number?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. Yeah. And then my name is Danielle. If
Danielle?
you can speak with me. Okay. Yeah. If not, I'm gonna write notes anyways on your account with what the situation. But I'll give you a call tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah, I'm looking at my bank account, and it's just showing that it's pending.
It's pending. Okay, but let's just wait until tomorrow to see, because I don't want to tell you, no, submit the application again, it wasn't charged, and then you get double charge. I don't want that either. So. Okay,
and you said you guys started this in November. Okay.
Yeah, and we're they're doing updates to it and things like that. So. Okay. With that comes, some issues and things that we're trying.
All right. If you don't mind, call me tomorrow and let me know if it went through. If I need to, because I got scanned in my computer, so I can send it to you guys if there's a problem. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Alrighty. Right.
Thank you very much.
Okay. You're welcome. Thank you.
All right.
Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.
As you can see, I was having problems, but it's showing on my order. It's showing that my order is here, but when I hit that submit button, I got an error message, and it did deduct it out of my account. So this is something new, and I guess they're trying to get all the bugs out of it. So this is another way you can try it. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.